Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to continue solving the wave function problem, and we are going to calculate the probability of finding a particle in a specific region. So the question is, what is the probability of finding the particle between x equals 0 and x equals 3? And previously we have found and calculated the values for the probability density and the value for the alpha square. We're going to use these givens in calculating the probability integral. So the first thing, we are going to set up the probability integral, which is taking the integral of the probability density from 0 to 3, and we are going to substitute the values that we have and factor out alpha square, and then put the values. Then we have this integral, and it is calculated using the error function, which is a function that is commonly used by statistics and probability theory. We can simply plug this integral in Wolfram Alpha and we will get the answer. But we are going to apply this function and use it to calculate the probability for this question. So this is our probability integral. This is our error function, and we are going to represent the integral in terms of u, setting u equal to 2x, so that x equal u divided by 2, and of course dx equal du divided by 2. We are going to look at the limits of integration, and we can see that when x equals 0 we have u equals 0, and when x equals 3 we have u equals 6, because 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. Now we are ready to represent the integral in terms of u. As we can see here, we replaced the x by u divided by 2, and we are going to factor out the half outside of the integral. We can see that there is a cancellation here, and this is our probability integral. So at this stage, we can compare this integral to the error function integral. Basically, we are going to solve the integral in the error function and compare it to what we have here, and we will get something like that. We have the error function of 6, and 6 came from like when we evaluate the error function from 0 to 6, we have that, and this is the cancellation. The error function of 6 can be found using a calculator or looking at the table, and it is approximately 1. So we have the final result to be 0.5, and that indicates that there is 50% chance of finding the particle in the region from 0 to 3. And thank you.